Good morning, students. So in this particular lecture we are going to see the theorems of corresponding angles and of alternate angles. Okay, so in the last lecture we have seen an interior angle theorem from the chapter number 2, that is parallel lines. Okay, so again another property of angles, okay, which are created by two parallel lines and transversal, that is corresponding angles. So as we all know that corresponding angles, okay, which are formed by the intersection of two parallel lines and a transversal, okay, so those corresponding angles, pair of corresponding angles are equals, okay, are equal. We are going to prove that, okay, in this particular theorem. So what is the statement of the theorem? The corresponding angles formed by a transversal of two parallel lines are of equal measure. So there are two parallel lines, okay, I will take this as line M and line L, okay, and a transversal is intersecting these two lines, so I will take line N as a transverse, okay. So obviously the corresponding angles, that is this particular angle, I will take it as A, okay, and this particular angle I will take it as B, okay. So angle A and angle B are the pair of corresponding angle. So these two angles, that is angle A and angle B, both are equal, okay, and we have to prove this particular mathematical equation, that angle A is equal to angle B. Okay, I will take one more angle, okay, as we are going to need this angle for solving this particular theorem. So I will take this angle as angle C. Okay, so the first task is to write down the given. So given, what is given data? That line M and line L are parallel to each other. So line M parallel line L. Okay, and the transversal is line N. So line N is a transversal. Now, what we have to prove, that a pair of corresponding angle, okay, are equal. So angle A is equal to angle B. This is what we have to prove in this particular theorem. So let us head towards proof then. So here as we can see that angle A and angle C, okay, both the angles are in a linear pair, okay, as we have studied in our previous classes that the angles which are created on a same line from a same point, okay, all those angles are in a linear pair, okay, and the sum of the angles in linear pair is 180 degree. So अगर हम लोग कोई सा भी एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे और उस लाइन के एक पॉइंट से अगर बहुत सारे एंगल्स निकल रहे हैं, ओके, बहुत सारे रेस हम लोगों ने डेवलप किए, उन सभी रेस से जो एंगल क्रिएट हुआ है वो एंगल क्या होगा हमारा, उन सभी एंगल्स का जो एडिशन होगा वो उसका आंसर क्या आएगा, 180 डिग्री आएगा. सो इन द प्रूफ वी कैन राइट एंगल ए प्लस एंगल सी क्या होगा हमारा, 180 डिग्री होगा. एंड व्हाट इज द रीजन? एंगल्स इन लीनियर पेयर, एंगल्स इन linear pair. Okay, we will take this as equation 1. Then angle C and angle B, both the angles are interior angles and on the same side of the transversal. So as we know that interior angles are supplementary, so the sum of interior angle, that is angle C plus angle B, is going to be 180 डिग्री. जो इंटीरियर एंगल्स होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, सप्लीमेंट्री होते हैं, ओके, मतलब उनका जो एडिशन होगा वो क्या होगा, 180 डिग्री होगा. सो हम लोग ने वो ले लिया इक्वेशन में. द रीजन क्या होगा, इंटीरियर एंगल्स, ओके, So I will take this as equation 2. In equation 1 and equation 2, you can see on the right hand side 180 degree is written 180 degree. Okay, so the right hand side of both the equation is same. That clearly means the left hand side is also same, that is equal. So from equation 1 and equation 2, I can write angle A plus angle C is equal to angle B. I can write angle A so from both the equation 1 and 2, I can write that what I can write that angle A plus angle C is equal to angle C plus angle B. Now on both the sides angle C and angle C is there, obviously it is going to be eliminated. Angle C minus angle C is nothing but 0. So we get therefore angle A is equal to angle B. Okay, hence we have got a proof. Okay, angle A is equal to angle B, and from this theorem we can state that the corresponding angles, okay, formed by the transversal and two parallel lines are equal to each other. Okay, so now we are going to see the another theorem, that is alternate angles theorem. Okay, we are going to prove this theorem also in the same way that we have proven the corresponding angles theorem. जिस तरीके से हम लोगों ने corresponding angle theorem को prove किया है, वैसे ही हम लोग alternate angles theorem को भी क्या करेंगे, prove करेंगे. Now what is the statement of the theorem? The alternate angles formed by a transversal of two parallel lines are of equal measures. Okay, then again a new property that we all know, that the alternate angles. Okay, so I will take this as angle A. Okay, now so again I have taken three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. Okay, so in the given figure angle A and angle B are alternate angles. Okay, angle A and angle B are the pair of alternate angles, and these angles are equal. Okay, and we have to prove this. So first of all I will write down the given. What is the given data? That line M is parallel to line L. Okay, the given is going to be same as that of the previous theorem, that line N is a transversal. Okay, then what we have to prove? We have to prove that pairs of alternate angles are equal. Okay, so angle A is equal to angle B. Okay, that is what we have to prove now. So proof. So how we can write down the given proof now? See, again angle A and angle C, both the angles, angle A both the angles, angle A and angle C, both are in linear pairs. So the sum of angles in linear pair is nothing but 180 degree. Okay, the reason is going to be angles in linear pairs. Okay, I will take this as equation 1. Then angle C and angle B, okay, are the interior angles. So angle C plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. As we know, the sum of interior angle is also 180 degrees. Okay, so I will write the reason interior angles and I will take this as equation 2. So in equation 1 we have got angle A plus angle C is equals to 180 degree, and equation 2 we have got angle C plus angle B is equals to 180 degree. In both the equations the right hand side is same, so from equation 1 and equation 2 we can write angle A plus angle C is equals to angle C plus angle B. Okay, again angle C and angle C are going to be eliminated. Okay, angle C minus angle C is 0. Therefore, we have got angle A is equals to angle B. Okay, so again we can state that the alternate angles formed by a transversal and two parallel lines are of equal measures. Okay, those are equal in dimension. So angle A is equal to angle B. In this particular lecture, we have seen these two theorems, corresponding angles theorem and alternate angle theorem. From the next lecture onward, we are going to solve questions related to this theorems. Okay, so we will be solving practice set 2.1 from the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.